What's up, guys? I'm Tim. This is New Craft Workshop. Well, this is kind of sort of the New Craft Workshop. We're still under construction here. Getting moved in has been a little bit more of a process than I thought, and my real job has been extremely busy lately, so this has been kind of put on hold. But I do want to pop up another Amazon shopping video for you guys because they are very well received. You guys like seeing some bargains and some discounts on some items you should be buying for your shop. I am going to change this up a little bit, and we're going to do a new format this month. I'm going to do 2 to 3 of these videos a month where I'm actually going to go into some of the stores. Today, we're visiting a Lowe's store. I'm going to show you some items that they have on their shelves, tell you exactly why I like them, why you should be buying them for your shop, and then I'm going to show you what you can pick them up for on Amazon. Every video that I do, I'm going to do my best to show you guys model to model comparisons on exact items. There are a couple items in today's video where I'm showing you an Amazon version of a product, but I believe in these products and I would not recommend them to you guys if I didn't use them in my own shop and trust them. So we're going to go today to Lowe's, check out about 10 to 15 items, and then I'm going to show you some pricing that you can pick them up on Amazon. Down in the description is a link to every single item that we talk about. There is a link to my Amazon storefront. If you can get to Amazon through my storefront, any and all of your shopping you do helps New Craft Workshop out tremendously, and this is my way of asking you guys for help without asking you to do anything special to help us out. So that's all I got. Let's get right after this with item number 1. All right, so the first item we're going to look at today are going to be these Automax pocket hole clamps. Now, these are auto adjusting for your material thickness. They have the nice round piece that's going to allow you to clamp your material and make it nice and flush without leaving any kind of indent or impression on your material. These are awesome clamps. Now, in the past, you've seen me recommend PowerTech, and I do love PowerTech equipment, tools, products. I like what they have to offer. But for those of you guys who like to stick with something a little more name brand, I wanted to show you why it's still a better deal to pick this stuff up on Amazon. So let's look at pricing here for a 3-inch and a 6-inch pocket hole clamp at Lowe's. And then let's head over to Amazon and look at the exact same model number clamp. We've got a 3-inch version as well as a 6-inch version. Both of these clamps are $5 cheaper on Amazon for the exact same clamp. Don't forget, Amazon drops this off at your door for free. And if you're in a large city like I am, you can get it same day. So enough said, save money, pick up this kind of thing on Amazon. Let's get on to item number 2. All right, so item number 2 is going to be some sandpaper. Now, I have recommended sandpaper in the past, and I have had some comments about longevity and how each individual pad is going to get you more use. And here's the thing. So this brand here at Lowe's is their kind of, I guess it's their house brand, Gator. They're claiming 4 times the length of use, longevity, whatever you want to call it. We're going to look at a small pack, and then we're also going to look at this larger pack. This larger pack is going to give you, I think, 30 pieces versus 10 pieces, and then we're going to compare price. But here's the thing. We head over to Amazon, and this is a price that we're going to get for 100 pieces. Now, even on that 30 pack for $23, if they last 4 times as long as the Amazon pieces, you're still getting an equal amount of usage for $7 cheaper. You're getting 100 pads versus what would equally be considered 120 pads if they lasted 4 times as long. $23 versus $14 and some change. Save yourself $8. Pick up the Amazon sandpaper. I use it in my shop all the time. It works great. It lasts longer than you think it's going to last. Save yourself some money. Pick it up on Amazon. Let's go. Item 3. All right, item 3 is going to be a band clamp. Now, I love Jorgensen clamps. I have actually recommended an alternative band clamp if you're interested in saving some money in a previous Amazon video. I will also link that down below in the description. It's an aftermarket brand, Amazon brand, whatever you want to call it. It's extremely cheap. But again, this video is designed to show you guys what you can get on Amazon versus Lowe's for name brand products. Now let's look at this Pony Jorgensen band clamp. Over here at Lowe's, we're going to pay $33. Let's head over to Amazon where we're going to pay 27 bucks. It's literally $6 cheaper for the exact same clamp. Now, if you're buying 4, 6, 8 of these at a time, if you're using these regularly out in your shop, $6 a piece adds up quick. Save yourself some money, get them delivered to your front door. Let's go. Item number 4. All right, item 4 is going to be this edge clamp made by Bora. Now, this thing is awesome for all kinds of uses out in your shop. You're going to be able to use this as a straight edge for routing dados. If you don't have a table saw, this thing is going to be able to be used with your circular saw to get a nice straight cut along the length and width of your plywood. You can use this as a rip guide if you're needing to rip down some material. Again, if you don't own a table saw. I'm going to show you a price for one specific size, but know that all of the sizes of this particular Bora Edge Guide are cheaper on Amazon for the exact same product. So here at Lowe's, we're going to pay for a 48-inch. We're going to pay $55. We're going to head over to Amazon. The exact same thing is $49 and some change. Again, a $5 or $6 savings. And the entire purpose of these videos is to save you guys money and help you guys out with, if you're like me, you live in a big city, not getting in your car, driving to the store to fight traffic to pick this thing up when someone can drop it off at your door. Let's go. Next item. All right, so this next item is going to be some Irwin quick grip clamps. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, I do love some Pony Jorgensen clamps. That's mostly what I use out in my shop, but I do have some Irwins as well. And for specific items out in my shop, there is absolutely nothing wrong at all with Irwin clamps. Now, this particular unit is a 24-inch piece. And look at this price here at Lowe's. We're going to pay $38. Head over to Amazon for the exact same clamp. And yeah, that's the price. Look at the savings here. It's the exact same clamp, exact same length, made by the exact same manufacturer for a savings. And again, when if you're like me, you're buying clamps, you're not buying one at a time, you're buying 4, 6, 8 at a time of a specific size. These savings are going to add up quickly. Get this stuff on Amazon like everything else. Let's go. Next item. Okay, so this next item is something I have never recommended on any of these Amazon videos before, but it's something that every shop needs and probably uses on a daily basis. And this is going to be a benchtop vise. I use this regularly. There are times when I'm out in my shop that I don't have a vise built into my workbench. And there are things that I do need a vise for. This actually comes in handy for a lot more items than you would realize. And we're going to actually compare two items today that are both made by Irwin. It does appear as though these are two different model numbers, although as far as specifications and technical data on these items, I could not find any difference. We've got a 4-inch vise here at Lowe's. Look at this price. We're looking at $90 for a 4-inch vise. We head over to Amazon, also made by Irwin, also 4-inch vise. This thing has almost all of the same exact features. We're looking at $51, a savings of 40 bucks. And for what you're going to use this for out in your woodworking shop, this is more than adequate. 50 bucks, save yourself some money, have it dropped off at your front door. Next item. All right, so next we're going to talk about a contractor's table saw. Now, if you do not have the funding nor the space to outfit your shop with an actual table saw, a quote unquote real table saw, there is nothing wrong with a contractor's saw. That's what I used for years in my shop before finally having the space and the finances to upgrade. And let's do a apples to apples comparison here for this DeWalt. We are looking at an 8.25 inch table saw, 15 amps. Price here at Lowe's, we're looking at $429. We head over to Amazon, same dimensions, same amperage, same manufacturer, $329. Now, it is highly possible this is a 1 year old model, but for $100 savings and the exact same technical specs, do yourself a favor, don't waste your money. Next item. All right, so now let's talk about a pocket hole jig. Earlier we talked about clamps. Now it's time to talk about a jig. Now in my shop, I use the Kreg 720 Pro. Absolutely love that. And if you have the money to pick that up for your shop, I would highly recommend it. That link will be down in the description below as well. That particular item is going to run you the same exact price on Lowe's as it is on Amazon. But this particular unit, which is more of an entry level slash beginner's level, this 320 plus, we're going to be comparing this item here at Lowe's for $60 versus the same exact model number over at Amazon for $45. Now, not only is the price difference $15 and a better deal on Amazon, let's also look at what's included. So the package at Lowe's is going to include a variety pack of screws, and we all know that screws are not the most important part of what you're going to spend when it comes to pocket hole joinery. The unit over at Amazon is going to include a 3-inch clamp, which we discussed earlier in the video, and that 3-inch Automax clamp is worth the price of $45 by itself. So you're getting a clamp on top of the jig. This is a no-brainer. Pick it up on Amazon. Next item. Okay, so now let's talk about this Kreg Rip-Cut. And we are sticking with Kreg on a few items today because this seems to be the predominant woodworking brand at Lowe's. This Rip-Cut is a great guide if you do not have a table saw and you are constantly needing to break down some plywood, or even if you're needing to just rip some 2x material, 1x material, whatever for a project. This one is going to run you $50 over at Lowe's. And if we head over to Amazon, the exact same thing is $44 and some change. $6 savings for the exact same model number. Again, as I keep repeating myself here, this is kind of common sense. Why would you drive to the location, get in your car, fight traffic to spend $5 more just to support your local Lowe's? I don't know. Pick this stuff up on Amazon. Save yourself some headaches. Let's go. Next item. All right, next item is going to be this brad nailer. Now, I have talked about this specific nailer before. I use this out in my shop. Brand wise, extremely good quality. I have had no problems at all. The battery lasts forever, no exaggeration. And we're going to compare apples to apples on this one. So here at Lowe's, this 18 gauge, exact same model number is going to run you 259 bucks. We're going to head over to Amazon where it's $235. Again, a $15 savings on an apples to apples comparison. And again, delivered to your door. Enough said. Next item. All right, while we're talking about brad nailers, let's talk also about brad nails. Now, this was the best deal I could find in Lowe's in my area. We're looking at Stanley Bostitch, 18 gauge, 1.25 inch length, 3,000 count. Let's look at this. $48 for 3,000 brad nails. Let's head over to Amazon. We're going to pick up 5,000 brad nails. Look at this cost. This is an insane savings over what you're going to pay retail at the big box stores. Let's just go on to the next item. There's no need to even discuss this. All right, so this is another high dollar item, and not everybody's in the market for a planer, but I wanted to show you guys this. So, DeWalt's newest planer is a 13-inch. It's going to run you $700+ at every retail store you go to. And I wanted to show you guys just a quick alternative. Over on Amazon, you can pick up DeWalt's previous model, which is the exact model that I use in my shop. It's a 12-inch planer, and I'm not sure about you guys. I very rarely plane anything down that is wider than 12 inches. But look at the savings on this particular item. It's $200+. And if you're in the market for a planer, this is the one, again, that I use in my shop. Highly recommend this Dewalt planer. You're not going to go wrong with this thing. Save yourself some massive money. Pick this thing up, have it dropped off. Let's go. Next item. All right, earlier we talked about Kreg and their pocket hole clamps. We talked about their pocket hole jigs. Now let's talk about pocket hole screws. Now, first thing we're going to look at here is the Kreg pocket hole screw packs in your retail stores, Home Depot and Lowe's, and probably the same at Rockler and Woodcraft, although I haven't been there quite yet, is Kreg Originals. We're going to find a 500 count box, 1 1/4 inch length. These things are $30 for 500 screws. Compare that to the Line Max brand that we're going to find over at Amazon. Now, before you ask any questions or hesitate on this, I've been using Line Max for 3+ years and have had very, very few defects, errors, malfunctions, whatever you want to call it. These things are solid. And look at this, you're getting 100 more screws for $10 less. In the course of a year, if you're using a lot of pocket hole screws, this particular savings right here on these screws are going to add up quick. Line Max is very underrated. I support them big time on all of these videos. I love their pocket hole screws. I love their wood screws. I love all of the stuff that they have to offer. So save yourself some money, get some screws on Amazon. Let's go. Next item. All right, the last thing I'm going to talk to you today about is going to be router bits. Now, at your big box stores, you're going to find a couple different brands. Most of the time, you're going to find Bosch. Nothing wrong with Bosch tools, but when it comes to things like router bits, I would avoid them and go with a different brand. I personally like Freud, and today I'm just going to show you one example. We're going to compare the exact same specs to specs, and then we're going to talk about how all of this can be done at massive savings in your shop. So let's look at this. We've got a 1/4 inch shank, 1/4 inch roundover at Lowe's. Bosch Pro. This thing has two cutting blades for $39.98. We move over to Amazon where we can pick up Freud. Freud is an awesome cutting tool manufacturer. If you're in woodworking, you know the name Freud, you know they make good product. Look at this bit. This is their new quad cut. This has four cutting blades, same dimensions, 1/4 inch roundover, 1/4 inch shank for $10 cheaper than the Bosch at the retail stores. Again, what's the hesitation? Pick this stuff up on Amazon. Every single Freud bit that you're going to get while you're shopping on Amazon is going to be savings over a lesser quality brand at the big box stores. And again, it's going to be delivered to your door. So let's go. That's all I got. All right, guys. So I appreciate you taking a few minutes out of your day to watch this video. Hopefully, you'll go down in the description below and click some of these links, get some of these items ordered for your shop. I'm trying my best to save you guys some money. I know that a lot of you guys have commented in the past that I only do these videos to benefit myself, and I could not tell you that there is nothing further from the truth. I do these videos to help you guys as much as I do these videos to help myself. I'm doing the shopping for you. I'm doing the comparison of prices for you. All you got to do is go down below and click the links and save some money. So until next time, that's all I got. We will catch you on YouTube.